Hello, Mr. Chu here with my new series of videos called Test Prep for the SAT and ACT review. So I'm going to make my picture smaller and we're going to start talking about video one, which is this particular video right here. It is the first short video that I've produced. It has 3 problems on it that are very easy, but I want people to be able to see probably some of the SAT problems will be easy for you. Some are going to be hard. So there will be 12 more short videos plus one long video that will have them all together on this 27 question module that is released by the College Board that you can use to prepare for these important tests. So like I said, some of them is going to be very easy for you, but some of them will be difficult. Out of the 27, I would say there's 4 or 5 of them that are actually pretty hard. The others are medium. So most SAT math problems require background in algebra, geometry, and number sense. The topics vary greatly, and I will present them just like they are in the module. So make sure you like this video if you think it's going to be helpful to you. It's important for me for you to like them so that I can push them out to more people. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and X, and I have more math videos on all of those different areas. And you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would be the best thing you could do and see all the different videos I've got. Here is the long link, the long video link. You could type into a URL and get there. And you can also email any questions you've got about math, or if you've got a particular problem you want to deal with, to askmrchu@gmail.com. All right, so the first question is one that is very easy. What is 10% of 470? Now, a lot of you can automatically tell me the answer to that. That's great. Then you decide, is it A, B, C, or D? Well, remember, 10% is 0.1 or 10 over 100 up there, and the 10% of 470 means that you're going to multiply. So you're going to take the 0.1, multiply it by 470, which just means I'm going to take the 470 and I'm going to move the decimal. So let's just take the decimal from this point here and move it over 1. And right here is my new decimal. So that equals 47. And you look up at 47 and you say, oh, that is B. And most of you chose B. I know you did. It wasn't a hard problem. So that is the very first problem. I told you it's easy. Now we go to problem number 2. It says, if 4x plus 6 equals 18, which equation has the same solution as the given equation? Well, let's take this equation and start solving it step by step. So your first step would be to write the equation down, and then afterwards you're going to use what's called the subtraction property of equality and subtract 6 from both sides. When you do that, this 6 actually crosses out. And when I teach students and I first start teaching them how to solve equations, I have them do that. Some people don't need it, some people do. So you get your 6 minus 6, which is 0, and most people know that 4x plus 0 is 4x. 18 minus 6 is 12. And when you look up here, you say, oh, that is choice C. And most of you knew that straight up as well. So we'll go to number 3, and we're only doing 3 in this first one just to get you used to my format. This is a word problem. Word problems seem to cause people problems. The total cost in dollars to rent a surfboard consists of a $25 service fee and a $10 per hour rental fee. So you're going to go surfboarding. They're going to charge you 25 bucks just to come in there, and then $10 for every hour that you have the surfboard rented. The person rents a surfboard for T hours, so T is going to be my variable. and intends to spend a max $75 to rent the surfboard. What does that mean? A maximum of $75 means that that's either all the money you've got or you got to go spend money on something else. And so all that you can really spend at that time is $75. Which inequality represents this situation? Well, each one of the inequalities here have less than or equal to, and maximum would mean less than or equal to if you write the inequality correctly. So you pay $25 regardless of the time you surf. So it's going to cost you $25 even if you back out once you get that surfboard. $10 per hour, so there'll be a timer of some kind. They want you to use T as the variable, and you intend to spend no more than $75. So you write the inequality. So it's going to be your 25 plus your 10 times T, that's your per hourly, is less than or equal to 75 because you cannot spend any more than that, which answer D. And most of you were able to get that one easily too. So the first three were easy like I said they would be easy. Make sure that you do me a favor and don't think that since these were all this easy that they're all going to be that easy. Hopefully they are all that easy for you. So all 27 will be worked in a longer video that I will end up posting on my YouTube channel. That's why you need to go and subscribe to that. And then there'll be a playlist when you're in looking at my YouTube channel or checking out my playlist that have all of them in there. Make sure you follow TikTok, Instagram, X. I have more helpful videos. Here is my long YouTube link, Keith E. Chew on YouTube. Send me math questions. You got any questions, send them to me. And there are people that are sending them to me, and I'm making videos. Make sure you help me spread the word because I taught for 24 years and now I'm making videos. Why am I making videos? I'm making videos for you. Why am I doing that? Because I want to help you learn the math. So let's take care of this SAT, score high on it, graduate from high school if that's where you're at now, and then get into a good university with a high SAT score. I'm going to continue with the short videos in Module 1, and once I finish Module 1, then we'll go on to Module 2. There are a total of 6 to review for this test. I'll see you next time in my next video. Thanks for watching.